Look guys, I want to show you this. Ayan, nabili ko yesterday guys. Ayan, I really love that guys. One of my passion. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. Look, my ponytail guys. I really love it. Ang ganda niya guys. Pang fashion ko. You know what guys? Ayan, this is very affordable. Ayan, it costs 30 pesos only guys. Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya guys. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung aking mga pinamili guys. So, 30 pesos. I really love it. Kasi fashion ko to siya guys. Ayan o. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. Ayan. Because I really love fashion. Ayan, I really love fashion guys. Ayan, pang ano ko lang to. Ayan. Gamit ko lang dito sa aking ano guys. Ayan. Bumili ako ng 4 na piraso guys. Ayan. Dahil 100 pesos lang yung aking ano guys, extra money. So binili ko na lang siya nito guys. A ponytail. I really love it. Ayan, I really love it guys. Pang fashion ko kasi yan guys. Ayan, because I love fashion. And this one, my swimsuits guys. Ayan, yung aking color pink na swimsuit na hindi ko pa siya nasusuot. Ayan, so guys, ayan po. Ito yung aking ano ngayon guys, fashion for today. Ayan, look guys, may pambahay outfit. I really love it. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. Oh. I really love it guys. Pack na pack yan. Ayan o, ayan guys, magkano lang to siya guys. Ito, nabinili ko 30 pesos. Tapos ito, 50 pesos. Ah, di ba? Di ba guys? Puro mumurahin yung aking mga kagamitan guys. Ayan, kasi I don't have budget guys. I don't have budget. Ayan. Ayan, ayan guys, mumurahin yan pero pack na pack yan siya guys. It looks elegant. Ayan, basta ako yung magdala guys. It looks elegant. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan, it makes me beautiful guys. Ayan, mga ganito lang guys, simpleng outfit lang. Tuwang-tuwa na ako guys. I really love it. Ayan, katulad nitong aking mga pinamiling ano guys. Mga pinamili kong ponytail. Ayan, kasi ito guys, yung aking fashion. Ayan, I really love fashion guys. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack yan siya guys. Ayan, ito yung binili ko nung the last time guys. So, ang dami ko ng ponytail guys. Ayan, kasi this is my fashion. Ayan, ganitong ano lang guys. Ganitong mga bagay lang, tuwang-tuwa na ako guys. Ayan. O diba, sa murang halaga lang guys. May pang Tampa na naman ako, may pang fashion na naman ako guys. Ayan, look eh. Ang ganda ko. I feel so beautiful today guys. Ayan na, di ba? Ang ganda. Ayan. O di ba guys? I feel so happy. I feel so happy on my outfit today guys. Ayan oh. Ayan, pang model na naman guys. Ayan, feeling model na naman ako guys. Feeling maganda na naman ako, di ba? I'm so happy. Ayan, ganito lang guys, mga simpleng bagay lang guys. Tuwang-tuwa na ako. Ayan, katulad nitong aking outfit for today. I'm so happy. Ayan, ayan guys, o diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ko na guys. Feeling bagets na naman ako guys. Feeling bata na naman ako. Ayan. So that's it for today guys. My fashion for today. I really love it. Pack na pack yan. I really love it guys.